Wow, someone needs to go grocery shopping, or at least order out. Maybe these crumbs will lead somewhere.
Wow.
Oh, yay, a hot dog. What in the world? This hot dog is a lie! It's slime! Slime! Luckily, we've got some gadgets that'll make cooking a breeze. And let's just assume she brought food, like this corn, while we weren't looking. Now we've got niblets small enough for all your mouse friends. Oh, a skewer. They can make easy corn kebabs you just pull out. There's a special treat inside this bouquet, a dumpling maker. Wontons, here we come. Just add the sheet and the meat. Make a bunch, and it's time to cook them up. But let's try another way, with this gravy plate. Add some water around the rim. And keep pinching and folding until it's all closed up. Cut a little off the top and make a bunch. So, what shape do you like better? Next up is an egg opener. Time to crack some eggs. Just bang the top and your egg's open. Oh, and there's a prize inside. Of course, we can also crack an egg on a bowl, or maybe not. I mean, it's open, but it's also kind of a mess, inside and out. Wow, a nutcracker, just like in the ballet.
Hey.
Let's see if he lives up to his name and cracks those nuts. The shell was no match. Enjoy your treat. But will an egg tray prove just as successful? Maybe with this hammer.
Yay!
Either way, you get your nuts.
Wow!
A banana slicer. But don't let the name fool you. It can do so much more, like hot dogs and cucumbers. So, if you ever wanted to stack all three, your wish is granted. A fork? Though it looks like this fork is getting a new look. Won't be as quick on long things, but works even better for small stuff. Wow, it's hot! Can our next tool be an air conditioner? Well, it's the next best thing, an ice cube maker. It's like a little well. Oh, be careful. Don't want to waste all of that delicious soda. Oh man, that's one quick freezer. No, wait, it's our next idea. This egg tray isn't just for cracking nuts after all.
Ew!
And it looks like we're having fun with these ice pops. Guess someone learned their lesson about wasting soda. Let's see how they turned out. Oh, you can just pop them out. Well, they'll certainly add some flavor.
Phew!
Real or fake, these things will make great party favors. Cool. This thing brings food right to you at the push of a button. Ooh, I wonder if it cleans pores too. But the real trick is that it helps you vacuum seal all kinds of food. Do you think you can do the same thing with a straw? Let's hope you don't mind the smell or the taste. Is she okay? Well, one seems quicker. Something tells me this squirrel isn't into nuts. He's more into tea leaves. Just give his tail a nice soak, and he'll make you a cup of tea. But can an orange do a squirrel's job? We shall see. Scoop out the rind until it's empty. And then poke some holes in. Add your tea leaves and some hot water. Just watch it drip. I wonder if it has a fruity aftertaste. Wow, these molds can help you make rice balls in cool shapes. Look at all the rice we have to choose from. Hope it's sticky. What cool shapes! Don't forget the fillings or toppings. Great idea. This'll really bring out the teddy bear's face. These onigiri are really coming together. They're ready for their social media debut. Of course, there's more than one way to impress followers. Leave your face and arms and draw your dream outfit. Peanut butter can be the perfect medium. But toppings can really help make or break your look. This isn't exactly a spoon you eat soup with. But it's great for making meatballs, hence the name. Cook them up, and they're great with pasta. What an interesting bib. Oh wait, that's no bib. It's a plastic bag. And it's giving her an idea. Squeeze and cut them out, and you've got even more meatballs. Kitchen-mazing stuff. Catch you next time. I think you dropped something. Remind me not to use those straws. Attack of the giant squirrel!